So this week was Amazon's annual hardware event, and since I got my Alexa, I've pretty much become obsessed with any devices which she can control. So I wanted to do a quick roundup of some of the new things that were unveiled. But just before we got into the brand new things, there are some things that they've just made some improvements on and some noteworthy stuff that came out of the event that I just wanted to go through real quick. And firstly, Amazon executive makes an oopsie. In an interview talking about the new Amazon Echo Buds, the executive appears to be wearing Apple AirPods, like a champ, like a real team player. Next, people at the event go blind? No, not really, but they may have wanted to poke their eyes out after they saw an Alexa-controlled twerking teddy bear. My childhood is ruined. So first in the list of improvements and noteworthy things on older products, neural text-to-speech improvements are being made to Alexa's voice using machine learning to make her sound less cold and robot-like. So now if you ask her to play All-Star by Smash Mouth, she'll get psyched like she should do upon that kind of request. Next, using that neural text-to-speak technology, they'll be able to offer a mode that allows them to mimic celebrity voices in the Alexa, their flagship celebrity being Samuel L. Motherfucking Jackson. Cannot wait for Alexa to call me a mother.
English, mother. Do you speak it?
So improvements to previous products, we've got the Echo Dot, still the third generation, still the same colors, now comes with a clock on the front. They added a clock, which I'm kind of bashing, but also find myself asking Alexa what the time is, like more than I should. And it turns out, according to Amazon, it gets over 1 billion requests a year for the time. So, you know, add a clock. And a new Echo model, they're promising improved sounds similar to the Echo Plus that was previously available, and a new color called Twilight Blue. I believe that's the color of Edward's skin. F you, Jacob. A new Echo Show 8, which funny enough comes with an 8-inch screen, will be a new in-between model between the previous Echo Show 5, which has a 5-inch screen, and the Echo Show 10, which, you guessed it, has a 64-inch screen. Wait, 10. It's 10. Next is a cool one, I'm pretty excited about this. It's the Echo Flex. The Echo Flex plugs directly into an outlet without the need for wires and allows you to expand Alexa throughout the home without buying additional Echo Dots or Echo units, which I've literally just done for every room in this house. So thanks for that, Amazon. With a built-in microphone and small speakers, it's meant for basic Alexa requests and isn't recommended for things like music and podcasts. The Flex also has a USB port on the bottom, leaving it open to activities like charging your phone, and also has an open hardware API so that clever people can make add-ons for the device. Next, a new device, we have the Echo Glow, which is just a weird squishy lamp for kids. And according to Amazon, it's certified for humans.
Human music. I like it.
Which is actually just a range of devices that Amazon is launching to capture a target market of non-technical customers by promising easy setup and easy use. The Echo Glow responds to Alexa requests and can change color and show a couple of different effects. So that's it for improvements to old devices and noteworthy new releases, which leads us to the main event, the newer devices that were announced. First one being the Echo Studio. Support for this video comes from Hookbots. Hookbots is a Smash Bros style game that can be played online or as a co-op couch game, just like games were when I was a little girl. Create your own bot and customize it in over 100 ways, from knights and dinosaurs to bounty hunters and space warriors. All skins and content are unlocked by actually playing the game, which means there's no loot boxes. Take that, capitalism! Hookbots is available right now on PlayStation 4, Xbox One, Nintendo Switch, and Steam. To find out more, check out the link in the description down below. I think a lot of people saw this one coming, to be honest, and a speaker that's capable of competing with similar sized speakers like the Apple Home or Sonos One. The Echo Studio has a 330 watt speaker by 2-inch side mounted mid-range speakers, a 1-inch front facing tweeter, and a 5.2-inch sealed woofer. The Echo Studio uses Dolby Atmos technology, which is that weird surround sound technology where it throws sound up in the air and creates a surround sound effect, which is doubly awesome when you take into account that you can actually pair 2 of these together and put them side by side next to your TV for a great surround sound experience. By the way, I won't be going into prices in these videos. Yes? Can help you. By the way, I won't be going into prices in this video because these are all just announced for pre-order and the prices are probably subject to change, but we'll leave a link to everything in the description down below. Next we have the Echo Buds, and this was slightly different than people were expecting because there were rumors of biometric sensors and activity tracking, which don't appear to be in these. Instead, Amazon have chosen to focus on the audio quality of their new true wireless earbuds, stating they contain 2 premium balanced armature drivers inspired by those used by professional musicians. The buds will also contain active noise cancellation with a special thanks to Bose. In terms of look, for me, they're a little bit meh. They're a bit on the larger side. They kind of look like the generic wireless earbuds you would see on Wish. For example, they're larger than the Samsung Galaxy Buds, but even with that extra size, well, just shy of the battery life of the Galaxy Buds of 6 hours, the Echo Buds only having 5 hours, matching that of the Apple AirPods, and of course the case contains an extra 20 hours of battery. Next, do you love Alexa so much you want her to sit on your face? Wait, what? Well, now she can with the new Echo Frames. Are you unimpressed? Yeah, I was too. The Echo Frames can discreetly play music and podcasts and give you phone notifications using, quote, beam-forming speakers, which is a slightly different technology to other glasses we've looked at in the past. For example, the View glasses, which use bone conduction technology, a vibration to get that sound into your head, your face, your noggin. But similar to what we've seen with other devices, they have touch controls on one side of the glasses, which allow you to activate Alexa. You can mute it in case you want just a little bit of privacy, like right now. Stop it, Alexa. And you'll also be able to do things like skip tracks and answer phone calls. The glasses are available to be fitted with prescription lenses, but in terms of tech, that's it. No augmented reality, no creepy cameras looking at you, just the audio stuff. I know a lot of people subscribe to this channel specifically for devices like the View glasses and other smart glasses we've looked at on this channel. So I'd be interested to get your thoughts on this one. Leave them in the comments down below. I'll be sure to have a look. And now that you've let Alexa sit on your face, maybe it's time to get serious. Maybe you like it and you want to put a ring on it, or put it on a ring. It's the Echo Loop. It's an Alexa ring. The Echo Loop is a titanium framed ring which houses 2 microphones, a tiny speaker, and a haptic driver which gives you vibration notifications. It's really difficult for me to see a use case for this for kind of daily use outside of it activates Alexa. There's a button on it which allows you to activate her.
Good morning. On this day in 1905, Albert Einstein introduced the world to his theory of general relativity.
Alexa, stop. So it can tell you things like that. But that's it. It's a case of pushing the button, asking it simple Alexa requests like that, holding it up and looking like a weirdo in public to hear those responses. And you'll also be able to pair it to your phone and have like one top number so it can call that number, but there's no address book, there's no screen, there's nothing that allows you to select things on the ring. Just certain strings are pushing the button to do different functions. And from what I've seen about the Echo Loop, it doesn't even have some of the more useful smart ring functionality that we've seen in other devices, which is NFC card payments. So that was my takeaway from the Amazon hardware event. I really wanted to focus on just like the Echo Alexa products. There were some other things announced from partner companies like Eero and Ring, but I really just wanted to concentrate on the Echo devices. So as I mentioned, links for these will be in the description down below. And I'd love to hear from you in the comments down below. Just let me know what was your favorite thing from the Amazon hardware event, what was the best thing to be announced, what was the weirdest thing to be announced, and what, quite frankly, was just stupid. But if you enjoyed this video, you found it particularly helpful, a like rating would be appreciated. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the channel, please. And as always, I shall see you in the next one.